Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia melanjutkan serangan merebut Lisichansk, pertahanan terakhir Ukraina di Luhansk. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konashenkov tanggal 1 Juli merilis, selama 3 hari terakhir, unit Rusia menguasai kilang minyak Lisichansk, tambang batubara Matroskaya, pabrik gelatin dan pemukiman Topolevka. Pasukan sekutu telah mencapai Lisichansk. Tentara Ukraina menderita kerugian besar di daerah ini. Hanya di Verkhnekamenka, selama 24 jam terakhir, musuh kehilangan lebih dari 120 orang tewas, serta 70 orang di Verkhnekamenskoye, kata Igor Konashenkov.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue a successful offensive near Lisichansk. Over the past 3 days, Russian units have taken under control the Lisichansk oil refinery, the Matroskaya coal mine, the gelatin plant and the settlement of Topolovka. The Allied forces have reached Lisichansk. Ukrainian army is suffering big losses in this area. Only in Verkhnekamenka, over the past 24 hours, the enemy has lost more than 120 people dead, as well as 70 in Verkhnekamenskoye. The failures of the armed forces of Ukraine at the combat area provoke an increase of the number of cases of desertion and evading to be involved in operations. There is an organized withdrawal of certain Ukrainian units from Lisichansk. The command conceals the facts of understaffing of units in every way possible. One of the battalions of 17th Tank Brigade that operates near Novaya Poltavka, Donetsk People's Republic, is left with less than 20% of personnel from the authorized strength. At the same time, the Kiev regime has found the culprits for military failures of the Ukrainian armed forces at another pocket in Donbass. The second unit of the State Investigative Bureau of Ukraine in Kramatorsk has initiated criminal proceedings against the commanders and 171 servicemen of the 42nd Battalion from 57th Mechanized Infantry Brigade that had been defending in Gorskoye. These servicemen were detained and taken to the temporary detention facility in Kramatorsk. Russian Federation armed forces continue launching attacks at military facilities located in Ukraine. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 2 command posts, 5 munitions depots near Ivanodaryevka, Seversk, Donetsk People's Republic, Belogorovka, Lugansk People's Republic, Nikolaev, Lepeticha, Nikolaev region, as well as Ukrainian manpower and military equipment in 26 areas. Within the counter-battery warfare, high-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have neutralized 2 MRLS platoons and 2 artillery platoons near Lesovka, Selidovo and Natailovo that had been shelling the settlements of the Donetsk People's Republic. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 32 Ukrainian command posts, 1 radar designed for detecting air targets near Katranka, Odessa region, 3 munitions depots near Spornoye, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as manpower and military equipment in 297 areas. Russian air defense means have shot down 2 Su-25 airplanes of Ukrainian Air Force near Barvenkov and Kurulka, Kharkov region. In addition, 11 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Petrovenki, Berestovoye, Donetsk People's Republic, Brashkovka, Veliki Kutara, Staroverovka, Veseloye, Bayrak, Getmanovka, Ivanchukovka, Peremoga, Kharkov region, Peremozhnaya, Zaporozhye region. 8 MRLS projectiles have been intercepted near Nikolskaya, Kharkov region, Stakhanov, Lugansk People's Republic, and Pervomaisk, Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 226 airplanes and 134 helicopters, 1,411 unmanned aerial vehicles, 353 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,873 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 699 combat vehicles equipped with multiple rocket launching systems, 3,067 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 3,948 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.